What we're working on today is the International Harvester Model R, Type R, magneto. This is off the 6 horsepower Model M engine. I mentioned in some previous videos this gear was in bad shape. It's just a pot metal gear. You can see there's some damage to the teeth. There's no damage, it's just where it's deteriorating. It's also got a crack in it right here where the key slot is. You can buy these used. I believe there's some reproduction gears also. I decided to try to make one kind of as a challenge. I started out with a piece of blank aluminum. I got these billets of aluminum at a yard sale, believe it or not. I don't know if this guy worked in some sort of aluminum factory or not, but they were reasonably priced, so I thought I could use them for some projects. It's way too large, but I trimmed it down for the proper diameter for a blank. To come up with the proper diameter, I measured this gear, and then just for fun I went into the machinery handbook. This is an old copy of the machinery handbook, and you can tell it's pretty tattered, but it's one I just keep out in the shop, so if it gets a little grease or dirt on it, it doesn't matter. But inside of this there's all sorts of information on spur gears and formulas and what have you. So I looked up the formula for this gear. It's a 30-tooth gear with a 10 numerical pitch. So using the formulas, you take the number of teeth, add 2, and divide it by the numerical pitch. So 30 teeth plus 2, 32, divided by 10 gives me a 3.2 outside diameter of the gear. So that's what I trimmed down the aluminum stock to, is 3.2 outside dimension. And the depth of the tooth is a 0.2157. That's how deep I'm going to cut the teeth with a formed gear cutter on an Atlas MFB horizontal milling machine. I'm going to take a video of that here in a little bit. So this gear came off this magneto. It fits just on there just like this. This is a 3/8 shaft here with a number 204 Woodruff key. That's another process all on its own. After I made the blank, I machined this taper here inside and out. I drilled this and then reamed it to 3/8 of an inch. Then I used a broach set to broach the key slot in the hub here. So far it's working out pretty well. It's taken me a lot of time to do this. It'd been probably way more economical just to buy a gear, but I just wanted to challenge to see if I could do it with this old antique equipment and a limited knowledge on machining. But so far it seems to be working out okay. So we'll move the camera over and take a few shots of the actual machining of the teeth.